E boma wa Kapsabet e kaunti ma Nandi, apisa mag obila ondhiyo nyasore maromo kilo 50 ma nengogi romo Sh250 manigolo Mumias kitero e kaunti ma Nairobi. Sami Mbarani, apisa maduong' mar okwach kich e gwenge ma Nandi, olero ni obila noketo badho bang' nomigi wach ni nitiere tich matero nyasore e kaunti ma Nairobi madhi mbele. Achich achiel kod dereva mar matatu manoyudi e nyasore go nomaki.
We had received prior information that there was a vehicle that was conveying plant material suspected to be cannabis sativa all the way from Mumias, and the same was destined to Nairobi. We managed to spot the vehicle just at around Kapsabet Boys, and the same was intercepted by the officers from this command. The vehicle was escorted to Kapsabet Police Station Yard, and upon search, we were able to recover 50 kilograms of plant materials suspected to be cannabis sativa. The street value of this plant material suspected to be cannabis sativa is approximately 250,000. The vehicle in question here was a KCY 949W Toyota Shuttle belonging to Eldoret Shuttle Sacco. It had 13 passengers on board, and it was flying from Mumias to Nairobi. The plant material was well stuffed in a bag